Ito po yung DTF namin dito sa Tugigaraw na nagamit ng 7 araw na may total meters na 55. Ito po yung printer head. Ito naman yung capping. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Ito naman yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level is tama lang. Ito naman yung waste tank na nalinis nung Friday. Ito naman yung AVR na may 220 volts. And ground wire. Dito naman yung stock namin ng used, unused, DTF film, and DTF powder. Ito naman ang records na nagamit sa cyan, magenta, yellow, black, white, and powder. Ito naman yung daily output and daily checklist.